Lust isn't loud. It doesn't scream. It whispers, and that's why it's dangerous. You don't even notice when it starts controlling you. One scroll, one click, one just this once. But every time you give in, something inside you shrinks. Your confidence drops. Your discipline weakens. Your eyes lose that fire. And the worst part? You start normalizing it. You tell yourself, it's not a big deal. Everyone does it. I'll stop tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. Lust doesn't just steal your time. It steals your edge. It drains your masculine energy. It rewires your brain to chase cheap pleasure instead of real achievement. You feel tired, unmotivated, distracted, and you don't even know why. Let me tell you something most people won't. You're not weak. You're addicted to easy dopamine, and easy dopamine kills strong men. How can you build a powerful body, a sharp mind, a successful future if you can't even control your own impulses? That's not freedom, that's slavery. And slavery always feels comfortable at first. Here's the truth. Willpower alone won't save you. You don't rise to your motivation. You fall to your environment. Your phone is always near you. You stay up late alone. You scroll with no purpose. You never question the urge. You've trained your brain to escape discomfort instead of facing it. So stop fighting the urge sitting down. Move. When it hits, stand up immediately. Do push-ups, go outside, cold water on your face, journal what you're feeling. Don't argue with your mind, change your state. And most importantly, ask yourself, what am I actually feeling? Lonely? Rejected? Bored? Stressed? Lust is rarely about desire. It's usually pain looking for distraction. Fix the root and the symptom dies. Now imagine this. You wake up clear, focused, no guilt, no hiding, no shame. Your energy feels different. Your posture changes. Your eyes look stronger. You walk into rooms with presence because self-control builds self-respect, and self-respect builds power. This battle isn't about lust. It's about who controls your mind, you or your impulses. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be trained. Start today. Delete the triggers, set boundaries, replace the habit, build systems, because the man who controls himself can control his life, and that's the real power.